Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, October the 19th. We're also going to preview the trading week as it develops. Let's quickly jump to our news items for today. As we speak, we have the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Chairman Powell, speaking since 8 o'clock. Hopefully he'll be done before 9:30. Remember also OPEC meetings. I don't know how much of an effect that's going to have, but keep your eyes open for anything that's coming out of there. And it's a very light week in reference to news. We just jumped from Monday right into Thursday with our unemployment claims, our leading indicators, and our flash manufacturing. Let's look at the action this week. We jump to our daily chart as we typically do. And as we can see, the market is recovering from its 4-day retracement. Here's the retracements began, and the market is attempting to recover. Now, we've had a very interesting last Thursday and Friday. We had a bar that had a huge range, which ended up closing at the higher end of the bar, and there was a lot of recovery. And we had something similar happen on Friday, but to the opposite. We had a huge ranging bar. Eventually, it ended up closing at the bottom. So it's a little mix of the market. So we're expecting a little bit more mixed movement. Remember, we've discussed this many times. There's a lot of things on the table. You have to be very careful with what's going on. It's very volatile right now. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market. That's why it's very difficult to pin down a trend in the market. It's really difficult. So rather than looking for a run or for a trend, look for a run within a small direction. A small window is what you're looking for. Do not be aggressive in this market. Choose your battles carefully. Let's look at another time frame here, which could give us a little bit better perspective. It's difficult to make a perspective from the daily, but here we go again. Here's our trend. Here we have this channel to the downside. Market violently breaks through it, holds resistance, breaks through it again, and now returns here, breaks through it temporarily, but recovers quickly. As you can see, it acts as support, just trending to the top. So what we're expecting is, here we go. If the market wants to retrace, it obviously has a very important level that it can retrace to. If the market wants to continue high, these are the immediate levels right here to the upside. This is pretty much where most of the activity can occur. And I'm not saying that this can all happen today, but here are two key areas. We have these two key areas here to the upside and to the downside where the market can attempt. Any attempt to touch this area up here, we have to expect a reaction, whether it's going to continue or break through or break down. That's where we are right now. Those are what you're looking for mid to long term. In reference to immediately, let's look at what we're looking at as far as immediately. Here's what we have. Market obviously between the intraday high and low of Friday. We do have a huge gap down here, which was established in the pre-market this morning. Market breaks through the intraday low, continues lower, establishes this baseline here, shoots straight up, breaks right through the intraday low like a hot butter through knife, continues to the upside. We have a trend that sets up. We have a top. We set up a bottom. Market is pretty much kind of just gyrating or oscillating between these two areas here. Best moves is either break of the level here to the upside or a continuation lower. That's the best play today. In here, it's going to be pretty difficult to trade this market, so be very careful and be sure that you know how to choose your battles wisely. Have a great trading session. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon.